Good day, everyone. My name is Goddan. In today's class, we'll be looking at the topic converting mixed fraction to improper fraction. In case you've not seen my previous classes, we've looked at definition of fraction, types of fraction. We've also looked at converting improper fraction to mixed fraction. Now, just as a means of revision, right? Improper fraction is a type of fraction in which the numerator is bigger, right? And then the denominator is smaller. So in such situation, we say it is an improper fraction. Whereas a mixed fraction is a fraction that has a whole number and a proper fraction. A whole number and a proper fraction. So examples of mixed fraction. Number one, we have 3 whole number 2/5, right? Another example, 16 whole number 4/7. And then one more example, 8 whole number 2/3. Now, if you look at all of these examples, it has a whole number and a perfect fraction. Like I said earlier, the fraction must be perfect, must be proper. If you have an improper fraction, then you must convert that improper fraction to mixed fraction so that you have a proper fraction. Now, how do you convert a mixed fraction to improper fraction? It's a very simple thing. You see, you multiply the denominator and by the whole number, and then your result, you add it to the numerator. What do I mean? You have denominator times whole number plus numerator. Then you maintain the denominator of the question. That's the denominator, right? Pardon my board. All right. So, in solving this question, number one, we have 3 whole number 2/5. So the denominator will multiply the whole number, and then the result will be added with the numerator over the denominator. That is 5 times 3 plus 2, which is the numerator, all over, maintain the same denominator, which is 5. So 5 times 3 is 15. 15 plus 2 is 17. So we have 17/5. If you look at this clearly, this is an improper fraction. Look at the numerator, it is bigger, while the denominator is smaller. Then this is an improper fraction. Another example, number 2, we have 16 whole number 4/7. The same thing. The denominator multiplies the whole number and then add it to the numerator, right? And that will be 7 times 16 plus 4 over, we maintain same denominator, which is 7. Now, 7 times 16, we have 16 multiplying 7, right? Whichever way. 7 times 6 is 42. We have 2 carry 4. 7 times 1 is 7 plus 4 is 11. So 7 times 16 or 16 times 7, whichever way, is 112. 112 plus 4 is 116/7. Clearly, this is an improper fraction. 116 is bigger than 7. So we have converted the mixed fraction to improper fraction. Last example, number 3, we have 8 whole number 2 over 3. Same thing, denominator multiplies whole number, add it to numerator, and then that will be our answer. That gives us 3 times 8 and then plus 2 over same denominator, which is 3. 3 times 8 is 24. 24 plus 2 is 26 over the denominator is 3. So clearly, this is an improper fraction. Try this for me. Convert 15 whole number 7 over 11 to improper fraction. Drop your answer in the comment section, and I'll be in the comment section to tell you whether you are correct or wrong. Till I come your way in the next class, please do well to like, subscribe, and follow us across all social media pages at Goddan School of Mathematics. Bye for now.